Hi, Roberta here. I have a travel journal to share with you today, and this travel journal is the typical travel notebook size, the Midori size, and it's made out of heavyweight cardstock. I have some burlap underneath, and this image is from Victoria Designs from a travel journal kit that they have. They're on Etsy. And inside I have a book page pocket that I just stamped with some stamps I've had for a while. And this is another image from that kit. And I just put it onto a tag and stamped on the back, "Adventure Awaits." This map does not match that kit in color, and I'm honestly not sure where this map came from. I couldn't find any reference to it in my notes. The back of it is avocado dyed. Here I've got a stamp of a globe. Most of the pages are either coffee dyed or avocado dyed. I found this little stamp in my stash and put that up at the top. This is another page from the Victoria Designs kit. This pocket was also part of the kit, so I didn't fabricate it myself. It came already cut out, and well, not cut out, but already marked out, and all you had to do was cut it and fold it and glue it. So I like that, and there was something in here, but I don't know what became of it. That's also from that kit, and this is some ledger paper, some more of the coffee dyed paper, graph paper, coffee dyed paper with a stamp on it of a what do you call that, a feather pen or a quill pen, and some ink. Little suitcase stamp. This is also from the kit. As I remember, the scale of this kit was small. I don't think I downsized it. I think this was almost as big as you could make it without losing any clarity. So I used it anyway because I liked it. We have a glassine bag, and in the bag I've got a postcard image, and that was a free download. And this is just a, what do you call them? You know, an index card, a file card. Coffee dyed and lined just for extra writing space. This is a job work order. And on the other side of the glassine bag, I just took a notepad that I had. I think there was some writing on the bottom, and I cut that off and just stapled 4 or 5 pages together to make a little notebook. Again, for more writing space. I like lots of writing space because, excuse me, I really do write in my journals. All right, so now you'll see more of the same, but on the back end. This is another pocket from the kit with another file card inside. And this was actually an entire page from the kit that I just shrunk down and used as a journal spot. Ledger paper, more from the kit. More from that stamp. I think these were either Michael's or might have even been like TJ Maxx or someplace like that, because I'm thinking now that there was a set of stamps all in one box. Whatever it was a bargain, and that's why I bought it. I'm all about the bargains. So more from the Victoria Design kit. This is a pocket that I made out of a piece of a snippet roll. Learned recently about snippet rolls, and watch out, it's a rabbit hole. I got hooked, found myself in front of the television many nights gluing together snippet rolls and then going upstairs and getting on the sewing machine and sewing them up. But I love that I can just unroll it, pick a section that I like, and use it like that. So at first I didn't understand the purpose of having this roll of stuff, but now I get it. And this is also from the Victoria Design journal kit, and I just put it on a tag and stamped it, "Life's a Beautiful Journey." And isn't that the truth? Enjoy the journey? Well, sometimes we do. And here's the other half of that map that I'm not sure where it came from, and that was obviously either avocado dyed, or I'm thinking some of the color from the map might have bled through, which is kind of cool actually. I'm not sure which, but either way I like the way it looks. So that's my travel journal. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Why don't you subscribe to my channel, and maybe I'll have more. In fact, I know I will. I'm kind of on a roll. And hit the like button, and I'm open to all kinds of constructive criticism, so have at it. All right, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.